Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Sit facing each other with your legs extended forward and the soles of your feet together. Standing tall and facing each other, interlock your hands with your partner. Standing beside each other, bend your outer leg at the knee to stand in tree pose. Standing back to back, interlock your arms with your partners at the elbows. Spread your arms and legs wide. Stand tall and strong. Take a deep breath. Sit with your legs crossed and your backs resting against each other. Standing a couple feet away from your partner with backs facing each other, open your legs wide. Standing and facing each other with fingertips touching, lengthen your arms overhead and lift the same feet off the ground with your partner as the diagonally opposite legs builds more support. Standing side by side with your legs wide, hold your inner hands. Kneeling high with your backs facing each other, align yourselves by placing one foot in between the feet of your partner. Stand facing each other at a distance and extend your right arms forward. Facing each other, sit on your heels with your kneecaps. Facing away from each other, step one foot forward and come up onto the toes of the back foot. Standing side by side, wrap the inside arm around your partner's back. Standing next to each other, your inner feet touching, open your legs wide. Standing side by side with a little distance between you, hold hands. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.